In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on where you can find or as to where are the Microsoft Store apps installed and how you can access them. So let's get started. Right click at the start button, select File Explorer, then click on this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive. Now simply locate Program Files, this one, double click and then click on view, click on show and make sure to check hidden devices and then scroll down and here you can find Windows apps. Double click and here you can find the uh, Microsoft Store installed apps and files. But in case you cannot access into this folder, okay, make a right click on it and then select properties. Click on the security tab, click on the advanced and then here click on the change button. Then click on the advanced again. Click on find now and make sure to find your username from here. Okay. And then all you have to do is you have to click on OK. Then click on OK and then apply and then click on OK and then click on OK and then close this and then you can now access into the Windows Apps folder. So that's it. So do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.